Hey guys, today let's learn how to send instant video messages on WhatsApp on your iPhone. So if you guys would like to go ahead and send these instant video messages in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the WhatsApp application. And I would like you guys to also make sure that you have the instant video message feature turned on as well. So make sure that is turned on over on your settings on the chats tab. And once that is done, go ahead and launch your preferred chat that you want to go ahead and send instant video messages to. And then I want you guys to proceed with tapping onto the icon to switch from voice to video recording. So we do have this option over on the chats, which is the first one is the camera and also the voice recording. If we want to go ahead and basically send instant video messages, we want to go ahead and tap on this camera icon to create and send a video. As you see, you could easily go ahead and do so by tapping on the video option right here and then recording a video to be sent to, well, the user. You could also go ahead and try to do that with tapping on the microphone icon, but that will be used to be sent a voice message. So as you see, all we need to do is to tap on this camera icon, and now we have the option to create a video just by long pressing on our capture button right here. So as you see what I did a while ago, let's do it one more time. Once we're on the photo option, just go ahead and press and hold this button to start recording. Now once you're done recording, release it, and it's now ready to be sent. And that's basically it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.